They're two different sizes. They would have been strung together so that they could be hung from like the side of a sleigh, because they're called sleigh bells. And they would have been making noise so that people would hear you coming. So this is sort of the opposite of, arriving quietly. You want to sort of arrive with some noise. They really are sort of a safety thing. They're a really nice set of bells. They still ring, and they do have a little bit of tarnish on them, but they're actually in pretty good condition considering how old they are.
Can you ring them a little bit?
They'll have two different sounds because they're two different sizes.